Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated tutorial on how to disable reading list in Google Chrome. If you've updated to the latest Google Chrome version 95, you'll notice that the reading list button is back. In a previous tutorial, I had provided a solution to disable the reading list button by using this Chrome flag. However, it looks like they have removed this reading list flag option in the latest version, as you can see here. You can right-click the reading list button and then uncheck this option for show reading list, but this will only hide the reading list button. So as a temporary solution, this is what you can do. Type this in your address bar to open Chrome flags, and in the search box, type unexpire. And we need to disable both these flags. So use this drop-down menu and choose disabled. Next, use the drop-down menu for the M94 flags and choose disabled. And finally click relaunch. Once Google Chrome restarts, in the search box, type reading list. And now you'll see the reading list option. Use the drop-down menu, choose disabled, and finally click relaunch again. And that should do it. Hopefully Google reinstates the reading list flag again in future updates. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.